Gen AI is the opportunity of our generation. But if we're going to realize that opportunity, we need a strong foundation. And that foundation is cloud. This past year, customers worldwide invented new possibilities and new opportunities with generative AI. Let's take a look at a few of their stories.
Over 60 countries around the world are impacted by landmines. SafePro Group decided to attack this solution with drones and artificial intelligence. We're currently operating in Ukraine, flying commercial off-the-shelf drones and uploading the imagery to the AWS cloud. Our proprietary machine learning and neural networks is based on computer vision technology. We're able to process that data at hyperscale and detect where those green, brown, different color mines are, providing actionable intelligence back to those humanitarian mine action organizations. Utilizing generative AI and services such as Amazon Bedrock, we're able to synthetically train our data sets and our models to look for mines in different environments without having to physically be there. We've greatly enhanced our capability to make the world a safer place.